something stuck on it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll get back to you guys in the next one. Peace. In the last video, the axle broke, and it just so happens that the axles that came in the kit, like this red kit, are metal. I thought they were plastic, so I actually have to well, I'm not going to cancel the order of the other ones I bought. I'm just going to get them just in case. $10, so that doesn't really matter. But yeah, I'm attempting to get this axle in, but I most likely have to take this lower control arm thing off, so give me a second. I should just set up a camera and time lapse this or something, but I'm not gonna bother because I don't know what I'm doing anyway. So I put the two black axles in. You guys can see the comparison between stock and aftermarket. The aftermarket one looks like it allows for way deeper wheel to be installed, so that's cool, I guess. And then here versus here, the OEM axle, that sounds so funny. The OEM axle is bigger here, the hub, like the hub for the axle part itself, not the hub for the wheel. But I guess we're gonna see how it works. We're about to go down stairs and test this out, and it also seems as if these wheels work decently, so I'm gonna test them as well, because I mean, why not? We have them, so we're gonna test them and see if we like them, and if not, I'm not gonna use them. Simple as that. So give me a second. We're about to go downstairs, set the camera up, and drifto. So it works. Yeah, it works pretty good. So let's test out the other wheels and see. So these are the other wheels. I don't really care for them too much. They are staggered. Hopefully you guys can see that. They do look pretty cool, like this, like the, what do you call it? The staggeredness, and then a little bit of lip and whatnot. As you guys can see, the back has a bit of lip and whatnot. But yeah, we're gonna just test it out just because, like, we have them, but it does seem as if these stock wheels are the best so far, performance-wise. So we'll test them out right now and see how they work. Also, when I noticed the aftermarket black axles fit wheels tighter than the stock ones, so that's actually pretty good. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. So I am most likely going to put the stock ones back on because there's a bit more contact patch. That means you get a little bit more control. But yeah, this is really not bad at all. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll get back to you guys in the next one. Peace. Have like a little wheel collection going. These are the Jiff wheels. These ones right here. These are the super stance wheels. These are the grip wheels. Once we could get the car to drive straight, and part of my dirty nails, I'm working on the car and it's super dirty. And then these are going to be like just like some more stancy drift wheels, because these ones are decent, but the car doesn't, since there's so little bit of contact patch, the car doesn't control itself as good as it does. The best control is with these ones. I guess it's the compound of the plastic, but yeah, as you guys can see, it's working out great. It's such a cool little thing, easy to work on and cheap. So links will be in the description for everything. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.